Hey everyone, welcome back to Sir Boats Yacht, your go-to channel for all things boats, yachts, and maritime adventures. I'm your host, your name, and today we're diving into something truly special for all the fishing enthusiasts and maritime lovers out there. A detailed review of the Macduff Ship Design trawler. Macduff Ship Design, based in Scotland, has been a powerhouse in naval architecture for over 30 years, crafting vessels that dominate the commercial fishing and workboat sectors. Their trawlers, in particular, are legendary for blending rugged functionality with innovative design, making them a top choice for fishermen worldwide. In this video, we'll break down the key features, design elements, interior features, performance aspects, and unique selling points of a typical Macduff Ship Design trawler. Whether you're a seasoned skipper or just curious about what makes these vessels tick, stick around. This one's going to be a deep dive. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the key features of a Macduff Ship Design trawler, which are built to tackle the toughest fishing environments while keeping the crew safe and efficient. These trawlers typically range from 20 to 40 meters in length, with some models like the 24.9-meter twin-rig trawlers designed for North fishing in Shetland or the larger 40-meter stern trawlers built for North Atlantic operations. A standout feature is their versatility. Macduff trawlers are often designed for twin-rig trawling, which means they can deploy two nets simultaneously, doubling their catch efficiency for species like prawns or mixed fish. They're equipped with a fish hold capacity that can go up to 160 cubic meters, as seen in some 24.9-meter models, which is impressive for a vessel of that size. That's enough space to store a serious haul without needing to head back to port too soon. The vessels also come with substantial freshwater and ballast capacities. Think 20,000 liters of freshwater and 4,500 liters of ballast, to ensure stability and self-sufficiency during long trips. Another key feature is the crew accommodation, designed for up to 12 people, which is pretty spacious for a working vessel. Macduff doesn't mess around when it comes to making sure these boats are practical, durable, and ready for the grind of commercial fishing. Now, let's move on to the design of these trawlers, which is where Macduff really shines. The hull design is a big focus for Macduff, and they've worked closely with experts like the Wolfson unit at Southampton University to refine it. The goal? To reduce hull resistance, improve seakeeping, and make the boat more fuel efficient. For example, a vessel like the Celestial Dawn, a medium trawler that won awards in 2023, was praised for its optimized hull form that cuts through the water with less drag, making it easier on the fuel budget while also improving crew comfort by reducing the boat's motion in rough seas. The hulls are typically made of steel, which gives them the strength to handle harsh conditions like those in the North Sea or North Atlantic. You'll also notice a bow thruster on most models, often made by Cort, which helps with maneuverability in tight harbors or when docking in windy conditions. The deck layout is another smart design choice. It's arranged to maximize working space, with plenty of room for handling nets, sorting fish, and operating machinery. The wheelhouse is usually positioned to give the skipper a commanding view of the deck and the sea, often described as aircraft carrier-like, in reviews of vessels like the Jacqueline Ann, a twin-rig trawler built for North Sea operations. Macduff also offers VR walkthroughs of their designs, so owners can get a feel for the vessel's proportions before it's even built, which is a pretty cool touch for a fishing boat. Next up, let's explore the interior features of a Macduff Ship Design trawler, which might surprise you with how much thought goes into a working vessel. While these boats are built for function, not luxury, Macduff ensures the crew has a comfortable and practical space to live in during long fishing trips. The accommodation for 12 crew members typically includes cabins with bunk beds, designed to maximize space without feeling cramped. There's usually a communal mess area where the crew can eat and relax, often equipped with basic amenities like a small galley for cooking meals. The interiors are kept simple but durable, with materials that can withstand the salty, wet environment of a fishing boat. Think stainless steel fittings and easy-to-clean surfaces. Storage is a big deal, with lockers and compartments built into every nook and cranny to keep personal gear secure. The wheelhouse, which is the heart of the boat, is packed with modern electronics for navigation and fish finding, making it a high-tech command center. On vessels like the Jacqueline Ann, the wheelhouse has been called amazing for its panoramic views and ergonomic layout, with all the controls within easy reach of the skipper. Macduff also pays attention to crew comfort in other ways, like improving the hull design to reduce rolling, which means less seasickness and fatigue for the team. It's clear that while these boats are workhorses, Macduff hasn't skimped on making them a decent place to live for days or even weeks at a time. When it comes to performance aspects, Macduff Ship Design trawlers are built to deliver in the toughest conditions, and their specs back that up. Take the propulsion system, for instance. Most models are powered by a single main engine with around 588 kilowatts at 1,600 revolutions per minute, paired with a large propeller, often 3 meters in diameter, housed in a nozzle for better thrust. On the Celestial Dawn, the propeller was increased by 30% compared to older designs, which means more power for the same energy input, making the boat more efficient at both low-speed fishing and higher-speed transits. This kind of setup allows the trawler to tow heavy nets without breaking a sweat, even in rough seas. Speed-wise, these boats aren't built for racing. They're more about steady, reliable performance, but they can hit a decent cruising speed for getting to and from fishing grounds. The bow thruster we mentioned earlier adds to the boat's agility, making it easier to handle in tricky situations. Macduff also focuses on fuel efficiency, which is a big deal for owners looking to cut operating costs. By optimizing the hull and propulsion, they've managed to lower fuel consumption without sacrificing power, which is a win-win for both the environment and the owner's wallet. And let's not forget stability. These trawlers are designed to stay steady even when fully loaded with fish and battling big waves, thanks to careful weight distribution and ballast systems. Owners of vessels like the Forever Faithful, a 22.75-meter trawler delivered in 2024, have praised how well these boats handle in challenging conditions, which is exactly what you want when you're out in the middle of the ocean. Finally, let's wrap up with the unique selling points of a Macduff Ship Design trawler, which really set them apart in the world of fishing vessels. One of the biggest USPs is their bespoke design approach. Macduff doesn't do cookie-cutter boats. They work closely with owners to tailor each vessel to their specific needs, whether that's a twin-rig setup for prawn fishing in Shetland or a stern trawler for the North Atlantic. This customization gives them an edge over off-the-shelf designs, and it's why they've built over 200 vessels that are in operation worldwide, from Canada to Russia. Another unique feature is their focus on efficiency and sustainability. Macduff has been working on hybrid electric vessels for the aquaculture industry, and while most fishing trawlers still run on diesel, the company is clearly looking ahead to greener solutions. Their collaboration with research institutions like the Wolfson Unit shows a commitment to innovation. Improving hull forms for better fuel economy and crew comfort isn't something every ship designer invests in. The durability of these boats is another selling point. They're built to last, with steel hulls and robust construction that can take a beating from the sea. Owners of vessels like the Eternal Promise, a 20-meter trawler delivered in 2024, have noted how well these boats hold up over time, which is crucial for a vessel that's working year-round in harsh conditions. And finally, Macduff's deep roots in the Scottish fishing industry give them an insider's perspective. They know what fishermen need because they've been working with them for decades. That experience translates into practical, reliable designs that get the job done, whether you're fishing off the coast of Scotland or halfway across the world. So, there you have it, a full rundown of the Macduff Ship Design trawler, from its rugged features and smart design to its practical interiors, solid performance, and standout selling points. These boats are a testament to Macduff's expertise in naval architecture, blending tradition with innovation to create vessels that are as efficient as they are tough. If you're in the market for a fishing trawler that can handle the toughest conditions while keeping your crew comfortable and your costs down, a Macduff design might just be the perfect fit. What do you think? Would you take one of these trawlers out on the high seas? Let me know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video from Sir Boat's Yacht. Until next time, keep sailing, and I'll see you on the water.